Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on Filecoin. The price on a Filecoin is once again rejected by this long-term resistance zone even after the breakout from this long-term down channel because the price could not break out this resistance zone. That's out from $2.68 and goes to $3.20. And for the past several weeks, you can see that it is acting as a resistance. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously for several months or years, it had been acting as a very, very long-term support zone. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very, very huge breakout that has already happened here on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of May 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for TST, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this signal I shared on 10th of May 2025. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup, the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Filecoin. And first of all, let me just show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it has been moving inside this channel. And after the breakout from this channel, the price could not break out this long-term resistance zone. That's out from $2.68 and goes to $3.20. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see previously it has been acting as a very, very long-term support zone. We had a bounce here in the month of December 2022. Then we had another bounce here in the month of June 2023. Then we had another bounce in the month of September 2023. Then we had several touch points here. Then we had another massive rally. And recently, after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. And for the past several weeks or a few months, it is acting as a resistance. You can see that we broke it down here in the month of March 2025. And since then, the price could not break it out. In fact, we have completely broken down this support down here in the month of April 2025. And since then, it is struggling to break it out, but could not break out. And now we are very close to hit the previous resistance of the channel that can now act as a support. And after a successful retest, there is a probability that the price may start another reversal from here. And in case of breaking out this resistance zone from $2.68 to $3.20, an imminent move is possible up to the next resistance zone here. That's out from $4.60 and goes to $5. That has been recently acting as a very, very strong support zone here for several weeks and the resistance here. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance zone has been previously acting as a resistance zone here, support here, resistance here, support here, and support here for several weeks or months from the month of June 2022 up till the month of November 2022 as well. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $8.12. And over there we have another very long-term resistance. This $8.12 has been recently working as a resistance here. Before that, it has been acting as a resistance here. And here it has been acting as a support as well, almost for 1 or 2 weeks. And therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Filecoin. Now here on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that the price line of Filecoin has already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $250 to $300. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.